Hey everyone, it's Brenda from Digital Trends, and we are at Mirror HQ in New York City testing out their interactive at-home fitness mirror. So when you first look at it, it looks like a regular mirror. You can step in front of it, check out your outfit, check yourself out. Pretty cool. But what's special about this mirror is that there are built-in fitness routines. So using their connected app, you have access to all of their different workouts, whether that's a live session that they have going on, or you can decide to do one later that all of the live ones are still available on the app, just in a recorded session. When you choose your specific workout, it will show up on the mirror. You step in front of it and you just follow along. You have the trainers right in front of you, pretty motivational. You can also wear a connected heart rate monitor so you can see your heart rate on the screen as you're working out. And then at the end of the workout, you get a progress report. So you can see how many calories you burned, how fast your heart was going throughout the entire workout. And you can also check back on it later throughout the app. You can also see the duration of the workout. And all of these are saved within the app so that when you go back, look at your history throughout the week, you can see what workouts you did, how well you did, and which ones you want to continue doing. So the mirror retails for $14.95, and then there's also a $39 per month subscription service, so that's for the app. Or you can also finance the mirror for as low as $164 per month. For more on Mirror and the latest tech news, be sure to check out Digital Trends.